going on, guys? Back at it again. uh Sorry for it's all dirty and stuff, but good news is that I'm gonna fix the trans here. I'm gonna have to take it out, and we're gonna ship it to Fisher in North Carolina. I'm gonna get it rebuilt with him. Oh man, I'm not used to working on the car anymore, but let's see what we could get going here. So I went ahead and took the intake manifold off. I'm having some issues with the high side fuel pump, so might as well just take it off right now and try to fix that. I'm gonna probably end up buying a new one. Hopefully it's not, nothing else major happened, but I think they told me that the high side was messing up, and I mean it'll give me more room to work with. But yeah, now on to the good stuff. So I'm here under the car. As you could see, it's been a while since I've been under here. It's full of webs. I just finished picking it up, but I'm gonna try to continue tomorrow or so. Hey guys, so yeah, that sums about the video, man. I'm probably gonna go ahead and stop it right now. It got dark outside, and I don't really want to mess with it right now. But I just wanted to make a little quick video so you guys could see what's going on with the car, because a lot of you've been asking. But yeah, it's going to Fisher. I'm gonna do the transmission rebuild, the 2.5 version of his rebuild, and well, yeah, I just little quick video, guys. Still here, I just hadn't messed with the car anymore because I had a lot of bills, man, a lot of shit I had to pay, and just right now I got the opportunity to get the car going again. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and deuces.